Unit 4. Matter. Everything around us that has mass and takes up space is matter. Books, stones, water, air, etc. are all examples of matter. Books, stones, water, air. Matter is composed of tiny particles. On the basis of the arrangement of the particles, matter exists in the following three states: solid, liquid, gas. These three states of matter have different characteristics and are distinct from each other in many ways. States of matter. Solid. Solids are materials which have a definite shape and volume. Solids do not change shape when put in a container because the particles are closely packed together and are unable to move. However, they can vibrate at a fixed point. Books, wood, erasers, etc. are examples of solids.
Discovering matter and its characteristics. Hey there! Ever wondered what everything around you is made of? Let's dive into the world of matter. Anything that has mass and occupies space is matter. Yep, that includes books, stones, and even the air we breathe. But wait, there's more. Matter is made of tiny particles you can't even see. So, how it's arranged really matters. Matter can exist in three main states: solid, liquid, and gas. Let's break them down one by one. First up, solids. They've got a definite shape and volume. Imagine a brick. It's always a brick, right? Solids are rigid, which means they don't bend easily. Their particles are packed tightly and only vibrate in place. Now, let's splash into liquids. Unlike solids, liquids don't have a definite shape but do have a fixed volume. Think of how water takes the shape of its container. The particles in liquids can move around, but they're still close together. And now, it's time to rise into gases. Gases have no definite shape or volume. They fill their containers like magic. Picture this: when you blow up a balloon, the air inside spreads out to take up every bit of space. So, remember these key points about matter. It has mass and takes up space. From solids to gases, they all behave differently. In summary, solids keep their shape, liquids flow and take the shape of their containers, and gases expand freely. So, next time you look around, think about what matter really is. It's all the fun science hiding in plain sight. What's the coolest thing you've learned about matter today? Share with your friends and spread the science love. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun science videos. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of matter.